I put my battery charger on, and I probably should turn that off. But the battery charger shows that it is at 80%, or it's at 12 volts. Now your battery should be between 14 and 15 volts, okay, at full charge. Alright, just because it shows you got 11 volts does not mean it'll turn it over. It's got to be at full charge. So what I do is I'm leaving this on just a little bit to charge up the battery, and I really want to see if it'll work. And of course, once you start the motor up, what you want to do is you want to start it up, let it run just a little bit, and turn it off. Because you want to make sure your oil is circulating, that your water is circulating, and you want to treat it just really nice, because you don't know what's going to happen. Now remember, when I first took this apart, the starter would not work. The electric start just didn't work. So it had to be kick-started. So let's turn this on again. You can hear the pump. Tick, tick, tick. We got lights back here. Our switch is on. And I know what I can do. Maybe I can put this camera off to the side right here. It's going to be hard to aim though. I don't know, maybe it is. And I'll see if we can... I'm going to have to grab onto the brake on right there, and then the throttle on the other side. So I'm going to see if I can do this without wrecking the camera here. See, yeah, and it's recording. And this hasn't been fired up, okay? We're letting the battery charge. Key is off, right there. Okay, now we'll go through the whole ceremony since it took me so long to do everything. The key is on. The switch up here, it's off, and now it's on. I take this hand and I have to get on the brake with it. So I have to pull the brake in order for the thing to release. Then I'm going to grab onto the throttle and push the start button. Okay, we've got the brake on. We've got the ignition on, and I'm going to push a button. Start button. Uh-oh, what was that? What did you hear that? Houston, I think we have ignition. I'm going to turn that off for now. And there you go. The bitch runs. The bitch runs. Am I a genius or what? Now I know it runs, so I have to do some fine tuning on a few of the parts, and let it get warmed up and things like that. But she runs. Remember when you first rebuild a bike and it's totally disassembled? They don't fire up on the first thing, and they don't run for 15 minutes on the first blush. You just kind of got to baby them along and look underneath and see what's going on. But you heard it right here. Honda Ruckus. She lives.